My name is Jakub. I'm a marketing student at Nottingham Business School. I'm a final year student and I'm from Crewe. What really inspired me to choose marketing at Nottingham Trent was actually my open day. Speaking to students on the marketing course helped me see what it's about and what kind of experiences I'll have at the uni. Whilst I've been studying at Nottingham Trent, I've really enjoyed speaking to the tutors that are available and their experiences in the field. I've really valued guest lectures and visiting alumni and past students coming in, because it's really inspiring to see where they've taken their career and what's possible when you have that network of Nottingham Business School partners. When Levi Roots visited and gave us very inspiring speeches on authenticity and really projecting value of what you're trying to do in the business world, that was really impactful to me. My favourite thing about studying at Nottingham Trent has honestly been my study abroad year. It was a great opportunity to meet students from all over the world, and without that partnership that we have with the School of Economics in Warsaw in Poland, I wouldn't have been able to go on that opportunity and really broaden my horizons. What was really impactful to me and part of my CPD activities was volunteering locally at the Hyson Green Library, where I would teach English weekly to a wide range of people in the community. It was a really rewarding experience, and I've carried on that relationship with the Hyson Green Library. To really make the most out of your Nottingham Business School experience, I would encourage you to get involved, building up your courage from day one, speaking up in your seminars and making friends in them to build lifelong friendships and get a better understanding of the course. The opportunities that Nottingham Trent gave me as a student are really unique in the way that I don't think I would have got them anywhere else. It is such a closely bound city and we are right in the heart of it. I genuinely don't think I would have gotten that anywhere else.